Click on solid part. 11th part is lever. Details of lever are here. It can be created by using protrusion. So select protrusion command. Select front reference plane. Here is whole of diameter tool. So take circle by center. Draw a circle of diameter 12. Right click of the mouse. Here is radius 12. So take again circle by center. Draw a circle of diameter 24 or radius 12. Right click of the mouse. Then take line command. From this midpoint of the circle, draw horizontal line of length 510. Length 510. Angle as 0. Then right click of the mouse. Fit it. Here is dimension 44. So take line command. Draw vertical line from this midpoint of the circle. Line length as 44. Angle as 90. Here is dimension 100. So draw horizontal line of 100. Angle as 0. Again here is dimension 100. So draw horizontal line of 100. Angle as 0. Draw vertical line from here to here. It is of distance 32. Angle as minus 90. Again draw vertical line. Here is dimension 46. So draw vertical line of 46. Angle is minus 90. Then right click of the mouse. Go to this end. Draw vertical line from this end. From here to here it is of 32. Angle is minus 90. Again draw vertical line from here to here. It is of 12. Angle is minus 90. Then again draw vertical line. Here is dimension 32. So draw vertical line of length 32. Angle is minus 90. Again draw vertical line. Here is dimension 16 from here to here. So draw vertical line of 16. Angle is minus 90. Then draw horizontal line. Here is arc of radius 20. So draw horizontal line of 20. Angle is 180. Then right click of the mouse. Go to this end. Here is dimension 60. From here to here it is of 30. Again here to here it is 30. So take line command. From this end draw horizontal line of 30. Angle is 180. Then from this end to this end it is of length 70. Angle is 180. Then right click of the mouse. From this end again on this side it is of 30. Angle is 0. Right click of the mouse. Now select and delete all these dimensions. Use trim command. Trim this much portion of the circle and then use select tool. Select and delete these two lines. Use line command. Connect from this end to this end any length and any inclination in this fashion. Right click of the mouse. Then use trim command. Trim this much portion of the line and then this portion of the line. again this much portion of the line. Use select tool, select and delete this horizontal line. Here is hole of diameter tool, so take circle by center. With this center, draw a circle of diameter tool. Right click of the mouse. Then use arc by center. Here is arc of radius 20, so with this center draw arc of radius 20, enter radius as 20. Starting point of the arc is this end of the line. Sweep arc in this way, tilt to sweep angle 180. Again take arc by center. Starting point of the arc is, center point of the arc is this. Enter radius, here is 6, so enter radius as 6. Click on this horizontal line, starting point of the arc, sweep in this direction, sweep, tilt to the sweep angle as 180. Then use select tool, select and delete this horizontal line. Again take arc by center. Here is arc of radius, again this 6, so with this center of the arc, enter radius as 6. Starting point of the arc is this end. Sweep in this way, tilt to sweep angle as 180. Click in the screen. Then use trim command. Trim all these vertical lines. And then this much vertical line, this much vertical line. Now use line command. Just connect from this end to this end. Again from this end to this end. Then from this end to this end, any length and any inclination in this fashion. Right click of the mouse. Again from this end to this end. Now use trim command. Trim this horizontal line also. Use select tool, select and delete all these dimensions. Use trim command. Trim this and then this much portion. Afterwards take line command. From this end draw horizontal line up to this end. It is length of 368. Then from this end, here is dimension as 16. Draw vertical line of 16. Angle as 90. From this end just connect to this end, any length and any inclination in this fashion. Right click of the mouse. Use select tool, select and delete this horizontal line. Now use offset command. Offset this vertical line to the distance of, here is 12, so half of that 12 on this side, 12 divided by 2 on this side, again 12 divided by 2, that is 6 mm on this side. Now use line command. From this end draw line of any length, press the tab button. Angle it is of 60 divided by 2, that is 30 with respect to vertical and 60 with respect to horizontal. So enter angle as 60, that is with respect to horizontal. Draw in this fashion. say this much line. Right click of the mouse. Again from this end, draw a line of any length, just angle as -60 in this fashion. Then right click of the mouse, use trim command, trim, zoom this area first, then right click of the mouse, trim this much portion, this portion of the line, again this much portion and this portion of the line. Afterwards trim this line and this much, these lines, and then this much portion of the line. Fit it, click on return, enter distance as, here is thickness as tall, so enter distance as tall, click on the screen, finish it, fit it. Now take cutout command, select this face, fit it, take line command, from this midpoint draw horizontal line of length, here is 100, 100 and then 25, so draw horizontal line of length 100 plus 100 plus 25, angle as 0. Then again draw from this end horizontal line of any length, say this much. Right click of the mouse, then use trim command, trim this horizontal line, then use offset command, offset this horizontal line to the distance of, here is 6, so half of that 6 on this side, 6 divided by 2 on this side, again 6 divided by 2 on this side. Now use trim command, trim this horizontal center line. Afterwards take line command, draw vertical line here any length, say this much. Again from this end draw vertical line of any length, say this much. Afterwards close the profile in any manner, say in this fashion it. Again from this end close the profile in this fashion. Right click of the mouse, click on return, enter any distance in the downward direction, say this much, click in the screen, finish it, fit it. Here is edge round of R tool, that is radius tool, so rotate in this fashion. Take round command, do this edge as round of R tool, so enter radius as tool, press the enter button 3 times. Similarly on this side, this edge round of radius tool. Next rotate in this fashion, this edge it is of round of radius tool, again this edge, rotate in this fashion, then this edge. Next at the last, this edge. Do named view as ISO, fit it, go to the file, save as part L1 lever, save it,